Alright, what is up, ladies and gents? Once again, this is the Happy Penguin, and today we will be casting a game from the playoffs, round 1 lower bracket between Acero and Extinct PH. So, rock and roll sa mga nanonood right now, and thank you again sa mga suporta sa like, subscribe, commenting, sharing this link with your friends. And yeah, without further ado, let me introduce to you the players. Here on the upper left side of the map, ating Zerg player with that volcano-like Zerg skin, kita-kita sa hatchery, Extinct PH. And on the upper right side of the map, ang ating blue Protoss player, Acero. Yeah, so one lang, no, I've never really quite seen si Acero play PvZ that much, but I do know malakas yung kanyang PvP, Protoss vs Terran PvP. Yeah, I guess on par din siya with the other Protosses na sumali sa tournament. Yeah, excited, no, makita kung paano yung performance dito against Extinct. So correct if I'm wrong, not sure if naglaban sila during the Swiss. Baka mamaya naglaban and I just forgot about it. It's been a while. It's been several weeks, more than 2 months na yata, no? But yeah. So here we go with Extinct opening up with an overpool. As you can see, overpool spawning first bago ang spawning pool, and Acero going for that gateway inside the main base. Normally as Protoss, nag-wall off, and especially in this map, I think this is Polypoid if I'm not mistaken, and yeah, mukha siyang Polypoid. So yeah, weird ng scouting pattern ginawa ni Acero, no? Counter siya ng normal scouting pattern ng Protoss, like normally pababa kasi yung natural mo is here. Normally ang Protoss or any player would scout direction clockwise, no? Clockwise direction. Kasi ang Overlord, if nandito yung Zerg, mataas yung Overlord. Anyway, so it worked out for Acero pretty well. So na first scout niya tuloy si Extinct, and he sees that spawning pool just built. Inaabangan niya yung lalabas na itlog ng mag-hatch dito from the larva na minodorf ngayon ni Extinct. So second hatchery meanwhile is being built, and two gate opener from Acero PH, and Extinct sees it. Yung Zealot naka AFK, hindi man lang na-block yung drone. So there you go with a couple of links moving across the map, and Extinct is going to take that extractor. Magagasta siya. Maybe he's going for speed kasi nakita niya na double gate na yung kanyang kalaban na Protoss. So this scouting probe will get chased away. Yeah. So few Zerglings here. Ako, tatlo na. Kung kailangan i-atras ni Extinct ito, tatlong Zealots already habang sa ramp, and looks like Acero will be moving out. Currently 5-6 links against 3 Zealots. Okay, so more links are being morphed from the side of Extinct. Yeah, itong probe na to, kanina pa to, ang galing. Naingatan talaga ni Acero yung scouting probe. Unless na milik mata ako and this is a new scouting probe. And Extinct trying to go first round. Makakawala ba yung probe? Okay, napakadaming Zerglings, but same time, you cannot discount yung strength ng Zealots. They do 3 hits sa Zerglings without upgrade, but of course, pag naka plus 1 weapons na, they do 2 hits sa Zergling. And yeah, tuloy-tuloy na scout ni Acero, making sure na nakikita niya if nagdo-drone up na ba itong si Extinct. Oh, hindi na block ng drone. Yung probe gets in, makikita niya, wala pang lair upgrade. So, yun. Okay, now, Acero try to defend. Ano built in this location? Ewan ko, parang first time ko makita yung ganitong klaseng SimCity ng Protoss against Zerg. Alright, so yeah, ang galing ni Acero, no? Maingat siya sa probe, and kanina pa to, nakasurvive for a few minutes, and mukhang may pick off na. Hindi, okay. So yan, makulit talaga. Just a couple of back and forths between their armies ng Zerglings and Zealots, and this is looking like base Hydra. May macro hatchery over here. Not yet sure, pero parang ganun yung rota na pupuntahan. Okay, cannon is up. +1, not getting research. Kakakuha lang ng gas. Yeah, hindi ko alam kung anong plan talaga ni Acero here. definitely, no, ang maganda dito na force niya rin na maraming links si Extinct, kaya lang pareha sila they dealt economic damage to themselves parehas kasi hindi rin naman nakadamage yung double gate. Pero siguro kasi nga minalas, scout agad yung Extinct, and there you go. Hydralisk then being built, sunken colony, cancel lang muna kasi wala pa naman aggression so far, so he could use those minerals to drone up instead or something else. Yeah, 2 cannons in this location. Interesting, no? Interesting choice kung saan ilagay yung mga pylons and photon cannons. Hindi siya talaga nag-wall off like what most Protoss would do in this kind of matchup. So there goes the Hydralisk Den. Inuna yung research ng speed. So meanwhile, more zealots being trained from the gateway. Overlord of Extinct gets in the main base. Kitang-kita yung tech. And Zings try to run by this area para makakatch ko ng probe, pero nakatingin siya. Pero parang imposible, parang pangit din siguro na move yun, no? Diretso lang ni Extinct dito yung Zerglings since may cannon din, plus may chance maubos lahat ng links just because, you know, harangan ng Zealots and all. I think para siguro nag-try lang ng ulit lang konti para guluhin si Acero. So, yun na, finally there are Hydras coming in. Wala masyadong cannon, there are just Zealots. Okay, at least 3 cannons right here. Okay, air weapons being researched. Double upgrades, double, dito? A single Stargate lang pala. Plus 1 Citadel. Pero yeah, the Hydras will be knocking here very very soon. And wala pa siyang storm, not enough cannons to, I'm not sure. Pero marami siyang Zealot. But again, wala pang speed. But ito na, naka-Hydra speed na. Going for the cannons agad si Extinct. Maybe he was trying to estimate kung anong klaseng damage yung pwedeng gawin ni Extinct, kung kaya niya mag-dive or hindi. But marami tong Zealots, even though walang speed, no, it's still you still need a lot of effort to fight against Zealots. Hindi na nga, Zealots who try to block as Hydras tries to progress. So slow Zealots versus fast Hydras currently. And di pa rin naka-research yung leg enhancements ng Zealots. So medyo madaling pitasin yung Zealots kasi nga bagal na lakad, no? And, just like that, ilang pirasong Zealots lang tira. He'll try to dive a bit more, kaya lang may mga cannons na gusto niyang patay ng cannons. So Zealots are just buying time, even though Zero is losing Zealots here, defend. Pero Zero is just trying to buy time para makuha yung mga upgrades na kailangan and have the cannons finish. Third base being taken ngayon pa lang ay halos late third, pero kasi nga given the situation, he had to adjust accordingly. And Extinct is going to dive. Konti lang Zealots targeting down the photon cannons first. And probes are being pulled here to help in the combat. Naubos ang mga Zealot. Pero another photon cannon finishes, kaya more Hydras are being rallied. Naubos ang Zealot, just like that. Ayan, probes sila natira and cannons. Naku po, delikado, sir! Naubos sa ng cannon tira. Okay, another one gets built. Naging militia na yung probe, pero not really quite doing much. Target talaga ni Extinct lahat ng cannon. Kasi once we break lahat ng cannon, it will be very very easy for Extinct to just rally troops here. More Hydras are coming. Targetin ulit yung isa pang photon cannon. And isa na lang, under construction. Really not looking good for Acero here. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang pag-rally ni Extinct ng mga Hydras. Ngayon, probe na lang ang army. Ito ni Acero, patay lahat ng Zealot. Ako po. Tapos hindi pa rin ni-research yung speed. What? It's a very very bad situation, my gulay. And wala lang cannon. Oh no. Extinct will just be rallying some Hydras here. And mo, GG na to. Once this Nexus falls, sobrang lamang na si Extinct. Okay, may speed na pala. Okay, hindi ko napansin. Joke lang pala. Joke lang. Na-upgrade na pala yung speed. Ganun. Hindi ko na malayo kanina. So anyway, take back what they said. Walang leg speed. Ayun, lutang ako right now. Lutang. What? Oh, GG. Yeah, anyway, regardless, no, nakuha yung speed very late or not, whatever. Didn't matter. Wala na, too late the hero. Kung naka-leg speed yon, ano mas madaling mas-round ng Zealots kasi daming Zealots din yun against those Hydras. Yeah, pero the fact na nahuli yung legs, it really, it really mattered in that situation. Yun lang guys. That's game number 1 between Acero and Extinct. Thank you for watching. Hit like, subscribe to support channel para, I'll know na people are watching and so we can make videos like this, more of videos like this moving forward. So yeah, once again, this is the Happy Penguin. See you on the next live stream or on the next video. Bye bye.